Still in video mode. Now I'm in photo mode. And I'm going to try to take a picture. And you notice the red light blinks a bunch of times. When I try to take another picture, I can't do it. When I hit the mode button, and I touch the mode button, when it's blinking, nothing happens. If I press and hold it, nothing happens. At which point, this is the only way to get out of this, is to press and hold it until it reboots, and then it tells me I have a corrupt file. Then it repairs the file, and then it still doesn't work. So it tells me it's repairing my file, but I've done this 4 times. So it's done it 4 times, and then it says it's repaired. And I'll try again. I swipe to make sure I'm videoing. Hold on. Forget your media. Sorry. Go into mode. There's the photo. Good. Let me see. Try to take a photo again. I take a picture. There goes that red button, that red light again. Here's the frozen screen. I press mode to try to do something. Nothing happens. I take a photo. Oh, shoot. I caught it with my slipper. I think I lost the battery. Yeah, I did. So you get the idea. It goes over around and around and around. And then I do the whole thing, and it's the same thing again. So if I turn it on, the file's repaired, supposedly. I go back to mode. I'm not in mode. Powering off, whatever. So I think you get the idea. It goes around and around on the same thing. I'm pressing with the mode again to fire it up. It's in video mode. I try to swipe it to photo and take a photo. The red light comes on, and now it's frozen again. And then it'll repair the file, and the same thing happens over and over again.